Hello everyone, I am back as promised with a video on how I do my twist outs. I only use 3 things, which is a water bottle, a saltwater spray, which is DIY, and hairpins. I'll leave a link for the hairpins and the water bottle. I love both of those things, so I'll leave links for both of those in the description box. The first step is to move the hair in a way I want it to fall when I take the twist out. After I section it off, I start off with the saltwater spray on my ends. I use that to help keep my hair dried out because my hair tends to be oily on the end, so I try to keep it dried out with the saltwater spray. Next, I spray the regular water, which is that mister bottle of water, on the length of the hair, and then I twist it up. I don't use any oil or any product or anything like that. Nothing like that, just the water and the saltwater spray on my ends. Now, as for my ends, I think I talked about this before, but I try not to manipulate my ends at all. I don't want to stretch them out or do anything that's going to slow down the locking process on the ends. I do kind of like the curls on the ends too. It kind of gives it a fuller look, so I just don't usually manipulate my ends much at all. So I just twist down right to the end and then I just pin it up until I get finished. I did speed the video up during the twisting process because that's pretty much straightforward. I just section off in kind of big sections, twisted it up, left my ends undone, and pinned it up until I got done. But it left these like knot-like things that are kind of hard to sleep on because I didn't plan on taking this out till the next day. I will show you later on in the video what I did to make the twist easier to sleep on. Now all the twists are in. Now I'm going to go through and take out the bobby pins and kind of twist the twist as tight as I can, but not super tight, and pin it around my head in place. It's much easier to sleep this way. I don't have to put a rubber band or anything on the end of the twist to keep it in place, and everything works out perfect. So I just take them out one by one, pin them around my head where it's comfortable, and just go to sleep. I don't sleep with a bonnet or anything. I sleep on a satin pillowcase. By the next morning, they're totally dry. My hair dries pretty quickly now, so it doesn't take long to do this at all. I actually can do this in a matter of a couple of hours, but this time I did just happen to do it at night and then wake up the next day and take it out for work. Everything is all pinned down. It's nice and comfortable. Nothing's tight. I don't feel anything pulling on my head. I'm going to turn around and show you the back. Oops, forgot one. But I'm going to turn around and show you the back. And that's it. I let it dry till the next day. twister out, so now it's just a matter of shaping it to how I like. Make sure I have the part where I want, make sure I fluff it out, and I'm ready to go. And this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll give you a quick look at the back, but I hope you all enjoyed the video. As usual, if there are any questions for me, please feel free to leave them in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.